In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install the white stone dome glass AR screen protector for the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro. So here is the package. You can grab one online. So before we start, we need to clean the iPhone with the alcohol wipe and using this microfiber cloth. Okay, so now we're just gonna give it a good wipe with this alcohol cleaner. So this will remove all the fingerprints, dust, and any lints on the device. And then after that, using the microfiber cloth provided with the package. In this package, you receive one privacy screen protector. So it's now clean. There's a little bit of tiny scratches at the top here, but that's very minor. It will be covered up with a screen protector. And this is one of the problems. If you don't have a screen protector, you can have your original screen scratches. Okay, so once we clean that off, we're going to place this on top. So look out for the writing where it says top. So align the top with the camera and then we push it down. Okay, so I'm just going to push it down like that. Next, we're going to use the dust stickers and we're going to stick off any dust on the screen. Okay, so I'll try to remove any dust, any remaining dust that's still left behind on the screen. Okay, so that looks good to me. Okay, I might have caused a little bit of fingerprint on the screen by touching on it, so I'll just give another wipe again. Okay, after that, we're going to detach the screen protector here. There's a bit of dust got in. Okay, so we're just gonna place it on top like that and just drop it down into the tray and then we push it in. So push it all the way down. And now just simply try to push all the bubbles out. Okay, so we remove the insulation tray and we remove all the bubbles within the screen. So just push it out like that until there's no more bubble left on the screen. So continue to push it down to the edge of the screen. So if there are some bubbles left, continue to push it. Okay, so push out any bubbles on the device, and once this has finished, we can test it out. So here we can test it out, trying to cut the screen to see how well built it is. So here I'll cut it. So I'll cut some paper here. And let's see if we can wipe it off. So if you're using something very sharp, it does cause lines. So here you can see there are lines. So if I go this way, so even though it's quite durable, but it does still cause a little bit of scratches. And I guess because this is extremely sharp razor blade, very sharp. And if I do it gentle, it won't cut it. So here, if I do it gentle, it won't cut. But if I really put strong pressure on it, it does cause a small line. But you know, only if you press it very hard. In here, I can knock on it. I don't want to smash it really hard, it might break the glass underneath the actual screen, but yeah, here it's pretty good. I give it a few knock. You can hear the glass doesn't actually break. So let's do a single front focus. It's pretty good. So it's provide a very strong protection on your iPhone screen. So yeah, if you want to protect your screen, make sure you get a screen protectors. And also this one here provide privacy protection as well. So if someone's standing next to you, they try to look across, they can't actually see the screen, as you can see right here. So if I move it side to side, you can't really see the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.